Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saokar Navale. My clinic, world class dental clinic, is located on FC Road in Pune. So today I am making this video, very small video, which will be on like most commonly asked question, what is the difference between braces and aligners. So there are few clear cut differences. First is visibility. With braces are too much visible, aligners are almost invisible. Second, predictability. Since aligner treatment we start after the simulation videos where we know the end result, the predictability is more with the aligner treatment compared to braces. Third, number of dental visits. With braces, patient has to visit every 3 weeks for the braces straightening. For aligners, it is not recommended, it is not needed actually to visit dental office very frequently. You can take your all sets of aligners or 4-5 sets of aligners and visit directly us after 2-3 months. So dental visits are very less in aligner treatment compared to regular braces treatment. Fourth, food restrictions. Since aligners are removable, there are no food restriction, but with braces there are food restrictions. We ask patient to avoid hard, sticky and crunchy food stuff. Fifth, oral hygiene. With braces there is very some patient find it little difficult to maintain oral hygiene, but with aligners it's very easy to maintain oral hygiene. So it's the fifth point. The next point is about affordability. With braces, I'll say the cost is slightly cheaper. Aligners are slightly on costlier side, but nowadays if you consider everything, the all visits and everything, I think they are almost in a same level, but yes, aligners are on bit costlier side. So these are the clear cut differences between the braces and aligners. Hope this video must have helped you to get basic idea about the differences between braces and aligners. Thanks for watching my channel guys. Bye bye, take care.